Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Math Solver calculator in Google. So let's start. Open your first Google browser and here go to the search bar and enter the calculator. So I just enter here calculator and press the enter key of the keyboard and here you can see your calculator is open. You can use here calculator, just click on mouse 7 and I just click on this 878, click on the plus sign, then click on 56 and is equal to, here you see your result will get, okay, 134. For math solver, just click on this option math solver, okay, below this calculator, and you can see the math solver calculator is open. You can use here calculator. You can use here all three tabs. Just click on your second tab, see here sine, theta, cos, and here the third tab also you can use for your maths calculation. Okay, so I click on the 4 and click on the less than equal to sign and click on the 8 and click on the enter. And you can see the how to solve your problem. Check the inequality solution is true. Yes, it's true. The 4 is a less than is equal to 8. Okay, so it's true and solution is true. So this is a way you get the solution also of your maths problem. So this is so helpful for student. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.